Good morning, students. In equation of line, today I will explain you the slopes of the equilateral triangle and a square. It is given that A, B, C, it is a equilateral triangle where AB is parallel to x-axis. We have to find out the slopes of all the sides. It means AB, AC and this AB. Now first, if you see, AB is parallel to x-axis, and we know when line is parallel to x-axis, slope, that is tan theta is equal to 0. So slope of the AB is equal to slope of the x, that is tan theta is equal to 0. Again listen, AB is parallel to x-axis. So slope of the AB will equal to the slope of the x, and we know AB parallel to x-axis, then tan theta is 0. So slope of the AB will be 0. Now we know ABC is a equilateral triangle. Then we have to find out the slope of the AC. This CAB is 60 degree. So slope of AC is equal to tan theta, and the tan theta is 60 degree, and the tan 60 degree is equal to under root 3. So slope of the AC is under root 3. Now we have to find the slope of the CB. Now the angle B is 180 minus 60. Tan B is equal to 120. Then tan is equal to 180 minus 60, that is minus tan 60. So here minus tan 60 is equal to minus under root 3. So here slope of the CB is minus under root 3. Now we take the example of the square A, B, C, D is a square. We have to find out the slopes of all the four sides and the diagonals. Here we see A, B, C, D is a square where AB is parallel to DC, and the AB parallel to DC means both sides they are parallel to the x-axis. That is AB parallel to DC, and it is parallel to the x-axis, and we know parallel to x-axis angle is 0. So slope of the AB DC is equal to 0. But if we see AD and the BC, they are parallel to the y-axis, and we know then the lines which are parallel to the y-axis where angle is 90 degree. So slope of the AD is tan 90 degree, and this 90 degree is not defined. So we will say slope of AD and the BC, that is not defined. Now we have to take the diagonals. If we see the diagonal AC of the square, and the squares of the four angles, they are 90 degree. So the theta of the AC diagonal slope is 45 degree. So AC is diagonal, the angle CAB is 45. So slope of the AC is equal to 1045 and 1045 degree is equal to 1. So we say that the slope of the AC is 1. Now we take the diagonals B and D, AC B and D, then the slope of the BD will be 10, 180 minus 45, that is minus 1045 is equal to minus 1. So in this way, we can find out the slopes of the equilateral triangle and the square. So here you have to see the lines which are parallel to the x-axis and the lines which are parallel to the y-axis. And one thing, you have to see the angle here AC, that is your 60 degree, but the CB angle that will be 180 minus 6, that is 120. So here we have to take the 10, 180 minus 60. So this is how we find out the slopes of a triangle and a square. Okay, if you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Thanks very much.